Hey guys, it's Megan. I'm popping in for another Tuesday tip of the week. And this week what I want to focus on is refunds. So I was talking with one of my clients this past week and they had mentioned that they were holding refund because they didn't know if it was a true refund or not. Now, a patient refund is pretty self-explanatory, right? Either the patient overpaid you or they didn't. But an insurance refund can get a little bit tricky, and I feel like a lot of offices definitely hold off on refunding those because they want to make sure that the insurance company isn't going to come back to them months later and ask for those funds back. So there's a few things that you want to check off when you're looking at, is this insurance credit a true credit or not? One, has the policy been active the entire length of treatment? If it has, then that's great. It's more than likely, something else you can check off that it is going to be a true refund. The next thing you want to look into is the lifetime maximum. Did this payment exceed the anticipated lifetime maximum that you anticipated at the start of treatment? If so, did the policy increase the lifetime maximum? If it didn't, then more than likely the insurance company is going to catch that and ask for those funds back. So that's something that you want to look for. The next thing you want to look for, especially in a dual coverage situation, is the coordination of benefits. So always recheck those coordination of benefits and confirm that both policies are standard, or if one is the secondary policy is a non-duplication, if they should have paid out X number of dollars. If they paid out the additional than what they, should have, then you want to definitely refund that back to the insurance company, because more than likely they're going to catch it and ask for those funds back. Lastly, you always want to check age limits. So this is especially crucial with students, right? When they're meeting that 19 or 26-year-old age limit throughout the course of treatment, you want to confirm that the insurance company didn't pay for months over, when the patient was over the age limit on the policy, because if they did, more than likely they're going to ask for those refunds back. So you want to be sure that the patient was in the covered age the entire length of treatment, or that the insurance company stopped paying at that designated age. And lastly, before you issue any refund, you always want to make sure that the patient essentially isn't making any money being in treatment. So this means that, the money that you got from the insurance company doesn't exceed the total treatment fee. So if, for example, the treatment fee is $3,000 and you received $3,500, right? That means the patient is now making $500 off treatment, which no, that's not correct. So you know that you need to issue that $500 back to the insurance company. However, if it did not exceed the total treatment fee, then great. That's just another thing you can check off that proves that it is an accurate refund. So I hope these things were helpful in helping you navigate whether it's a true credit or not, and you can start, working your way through those credit balances that you do have on patient accounts. I will see you all next week. Bye, guys.